Hello students, welcome to all. Today we have to see the total scenario of BSc Physics. It is 3 years integrated course. Now since 2018, this course has taken the new form as choice-based credit system pattern for BSc. For BSc Part 1, it starts from June 2018, for Part 2nd from June 2019, and for this BSc Part 3 from this year, June 2020. Now, the structure of this 3-year BSc Physics, is as follows. BSc Part 1 consists of 2 semesters, Part 2nd consists of 2 semesters, Part 3rd also consists of 3 semesters. BSc Part 1 is having 4 theory papers, each of 50 marks weightage, and annual practical examination for 50 marks. Whereas BSc Part 2nd consists of 4 theory papers of 50 marks and annual practical examination is of 100 marks. And BSc Part 3, total theory papers are 8, each of 50 marks, and annual practical examination is also for 200 marks. It is explained in this present PPT. That is the structure of this 3 years integrated course. Now, BSc Part 1, Semester 1 includes 2 theory papers. Paper number 1 as Mechanics 1 is of 30 hours duration for 50 marks, and this paper gives you 2 credit points. Whereas Physics paper 2nd as Mechanics 2nd for the same duration, same marks, and gives you 2 credit points. Semester 2nd, paper number 3, Electricity and Magnetism. And paper number 4, Electricity and Magnetism 2nd. Both are for 30 hours duration and for 50 marks, and gives you 2 credit points each paper. That is for semester 2nd 4 credit points, for semester 1 4 credit points. Means for BSc Part 1 there are total 8 credit points for theory. Now we turn towards the practical structure for BSc Part 1. It is of 50 marks and gives you 2 credit points. That is, Part 1 consists of mechanics laboratory experiments for 10 experiments, and second as electricity and magnetism having 10 experiments. At the time of practical examination, each student has to perform 1 experiment from each group. Therefore, 2 experiments for 21 marks means for 42, and for 8 marks are reserved for certified laboratory journal. Means in all, for BSc Part 1, total theory papers are for 200 marks and practical is for 50 marks. Therefore, 250 marks and 10 credit points are for BSc Part 1. I think you have to clear this. Now we move towards BSc Part 2nd. Semester 3, paper number 5 as thermal physics and statistical mechanics. It is for thermal physics and statistical mechanics. This paper is of 36 hours theory duration for 50 marks and gives you 2 credit points. Paper number 6 as Waves and Optics 1. It is for 36 hours duration of 50 marks and gives you 2 credit points. Now semester 4 includes 2 theory papers. Paper number 7 Thermal Physics and Statistical Mechanics Part 2nd. Thermal Physics and Statistical Mechanics Part 2nd for 36 hours duration, 50 marks and gives you 2 credits points. Paper number 8 as Waves and Optics for same duration, 50 marks and also gives you 2 credit points. Now the practical structure for BSc Part 2nd is as follows. It includes 2 groups. First group is for paper number 5 and 7. First group is for paper number 5 and 7 and the name of that group is Thermal Physics and Statistical Mechanics. This group consists of in all 16 experiments in the total practical group, and the second practical group is for paper number 6 and 8. It named as Waves and Optics 2nd. It also includes 16 experiments, means in all you have to perform 32 experiments throughout the year. Now we see what is the marks distribution for practical examination. There are 4 experiments for 21 marks, hence in all 84 marks are reserved for your actual performance of the practicals and 16 marks are reserved for your certified laboratory journal. Hence total for practical examination is of 100 marks, 4 theory papers for 200 marks and 200 plus 100 is equal to 300 marks, and this practical also gives you the 2 credit points. It is about BSc Part 2nd. Now we move towards the last year from these 3 years integrated course as our BSc Part 3. It consists of the structure as follows. For semester 5, paper number 9 is Mathematical Physics. It is for 36 hour duration, marks 50 and gives you 2 credit points. Paper number 10 Quantum Mechanics for 36 hour duration, 50 marks and gives you 2 credit points. Means for semester 5 in all you have to able to obtain 4 credit points. Now semester 5 paper number 11 Classical Mechanics and Classical Electrodynamics. Classical Mechanics and Classical Electrodynamics for the same duration, and it also gives you the 2 credit points. Paper number 11 as Digital and Analog Circuits and Instrumentation. It is also for 36 hours duration for learning, marks 50 and gives you 2 credit points. Means for BSc Part 3 semester 5 you have to learn 4 theory papers each for 50 marks, and in all you have to able to get the 8 credit points for semester number 5. Now we move towards the semester 6. Semester 6 also consists of 4 theory papers. From that, paper number 13, nuclear and particle physics. Paper number 13 as nuclear and particle physics. Same duration, same marks and gives you 2 credit points. Paper number 14, solid state physics. For the same duration, same marks and also gives you 2 credit points. Paper number 15 for the semester 6, atomic and molecular physics and astrophysics for 2 credit points. And paper number 16 as energy studies and material science for 2 credit points. Means in all for semester 6 also you are able to achieve 8 credit points. For semester 5 8 credit points. For semester 6 8 credit points. In all 16 credit points are there. Now we move towards the practical structure for third year. That is BSc 3 Physics Laboratory Experiments. Total marks for practical examination as 200 marks and it gives you 8 credit points. It gives you 8 credit points. Now what is the distribution of these 8 credit points? Practicals group 1 named as General Physics, 10 experiments. At the time of examination, one has to perform one experiment from each group and that is reserved for 30 marks. Practicals group 2 optics, again having 10 experiments. At the time of exam you have to perform one experiment and that is for 30 marks. Practicals group number 3 named as electricity and magnetism, the same marks distribution is there also. And group 4 electronics experiments, same weightage is reserved for also that group number 4. Now group number 5 named as skill testing experiments. This group number 5 is divided into 2 subgroups as group 5A consists of 10 experiments. One experiment is for 15 marks at the time of examination. Similarly, group 5B is having 10 experiments and one is for 15 marks, means the group 5 is also for 30 marks. Group 1 to 4 30 each and group 5 also 30, means in all 30 into 5 that is 150 marks are for actual performance of the experiments at the time of 3 days duration of practical examination. Now what is about the remaining 50 marks from the practical examination? It is explained here. This included as a practicals group 6. It consists of 4 subtypes, that is certified laboratory journal for 20 marks, study tube report for 10 marks and seminar reports. At least 2 seminars you have to taken in the year, that is for 20 marks. In all 250 marks for the group number 6. Therefore, the total score for BSc 3 as semester 5 4 papers each of 50 marks, that is 200 marks. Semester 6 4 papers each of 50 marks, that is total 200 marks, and annual practical examination 200 marks. Therefore, total there are 600 marks during these 3 years. Therefore, grand total of marks for BSc Physics is explained here. BSc 1 250 marks, credit points 10. BSc 2nd 300 marks, credit points 12. Whereas BSc 3 the 600 marks, credit points are 24. In all, during this 3-year integrated course, you have to attempt the examination of 1150 marks and gives you 44 credit points. It is all about the scenario of BSc 3 Physics. Now one question is remaining here. What is about the nature of question paper to all classes? That is, each question paper is of 2 hours duration, 50 marks, and the nature is as follows. Question 1. Select the correct alternative. 10 questions, 10 marks. Each question is having 4 alternatives. Question 2, that is long answer type question. 3 questions are given. You have to attempt 2 questions. Each question is for 10 marks. And question number 3, attempt any 4 out of 6 for 20 marks. You have to attempt 5 questions. 4 questions out of 6, that is 20 marks. It is about the nature of question paper during this 3-year integrated course and 6 semesters. It is all about this BSc Physics. Thanks for listening me. Thank you very much.